But the front looks a bit better now. Still got to clean the windows and whatever else. Still got to do the wheels. I don't know whether to paint them or just get some wheel trims. But I think that'll be a job for a couple of weeks' time. But yeah, that's a cooker. A couple of burners on under there. Hot and cold water. All the controls all under there. Little grill. No oven. There's no oven on this one. Got a fridge. I will bring that one to just put the drinks in. Put some drinks in. Saves clogging the gas fire. Wardrobe. Toilet. Sink. And pull out shower. This one back. So up there we call that Katie's nest, but that it's alright for storage. But last weekend when we had Kieran with us, I slept up there and it was plenty big enough, plenty comfortable. That's a ladder we can climb in and out. You could have that as a single bed, and then that turns into a double bed, or you can have it turn into a king size bed so that you sleep in this way, which is what me and Kim normally do when we're on our own. Well, on our own with the dogs. Then you're through to the front of the van. Yeah. Got to come and have a look, see what I'm doing. Now this is a... Hello, you got to come and see what I'm doing, are you?
I have, yeah. I was just doing the ashtray jacket.
So this is a right-hand drive, but the door is on the right-hand side as well. Well, normally, if it's a right-hand drive, you have the door on the left-hand side. But I think this is like the UK right-hand drive version. We've still got the Italian, European back on it, because apparently these are the only ones that are built specifically for a motorhome. The height of it, I mean, I can just about reach the top, enough just to open the vents. So it is quite tall. It is quite tall, which is nice, and it gives you big feeling of space for such a small van. It gives you, you know, you got a great feeling of space in here. So, and the beauty about it what I like about it anyway, is it's ideal for dossing in, because you can proper chill out. You can proper chill out on the settee. When we've got our pillars. So you can proper chill out, because we either put the telly up the top or at the end of the table, dependent, and then you can just sit back and on the rainy days just sit and watch the telly. But yeah, all in all, it's just a nice camper. Just love it to bits. Plenty of storage spaces. Under this one there's onboard water tank, and then under the back there's onboard waste tank as well, which I don't know about that. I prefer the you know, being able to just go and empty your wastewater as you go along. But like I say, if I look hard enough I'll find enough negatives, but generally, nah, it's great. We'd love it.